Hi all. Today in this video lecture we will see this numerical and we are learning resolution of forces chapter. So this is numerical of resolution of forces chapter. So in this numerical our objective is to calculate this P force directly. Actually in numerical they gave us this component x component px component and it is 850 Newton. So our objective is to calculate this P force and this y component. But observe here like those are perpendicular components, but here they don't give us angle. This angle theta, let us assume this as theta. We have slopes, so with the help of slopes we will calculate first this angle theta, then thereafter we will calculate this force P, and then thereafter we will calculate this component Py component. So solving methodology is, see, this is x component. Let us assume this as px and it is given component 850 Newton, and this is py component. This py component we will calculate this component. Py and this p component is also we will calculate, and let us assume that this angle is theta. So how to calculate this theta angle? Let us see, this is as a horizontal line. So see, x component of that force P slope is 1:2. Assume that this angle is alpha. So geometrically this will also be alpha, and this P force and horizontal line, this yellow line, between that angle, assume that angle as beta. So here our objective is theta. So see, this theta is equal to this whole angle beta, angle between that force and that horizontal yellow line, minus alpha, angle between that horizontal line and that x component of that force P. So now how to calculate alpha? See, here we have slope 1:2. So tan alpha is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. Tan alpha is equal to 1/2. Opposite side is 1 and adjacent side 2, and alpha is equal to tan inverse of 1/2. So alpha is equal to 26.57 degree. Now similarly we will calculate beta also. Beta is equal to tan inverse of, see here beta, how to calculate beta? See, this P force and this horizontal yellow line, making an angle beta. So geometrically this angle will also be beta. So that's why here beta will come. So beta is equal to, opposite side is 4 upon adjacent side is 3. So this beta will be shift tan inverse of 4/3 It is 53.13 degree. Now observe this equation. Theta is equal to beta minus alpha. Now we have beta also and alpha also. So this theta is equal to, beta is 53.13 degree and alpha is 26.57 degree. So 53.13 minus 26.57 is 26.56 degree. So we calculated this theta as 26.57 degree. Now calculate this P, our first objective. So before that, you all know that x component is px. So px is equal to p cos of theta. Why cos? Because angle theta is near to that x component. So x component of p is px is equal to p cos of theta. Just see that x component px is equal to p. Generally what we are solving those components, if my component is like p, so it is p cos of theta if this angle is theta, like that. So here p cos of theta, p cos of theta, yes, it is right. And which, see, this px is equal to 850 newton we have, so right here 850, this p is our objective. So this p and this cos of theta, we calculated it here 26.56 degree. So this p is equal to 850 upon cos of 26.56 degree. So this p will be 850 upon cos of 26.56 degree. It is 950.287. And unit, so here this px is in Newton, so this will be in Newton. So our p is 950.287 Newton. Eight fifty upon cos of 26.56 degree. It's yes. Now move towards our second objective, this py component. This py component is equal to p sine of theta. So this, now we have p, so directly put your p in that equation 950.287 into sine of theta 26.56 degree. And our objective is this py. So this py, calculate it in your engineering calci, 950.287 into sine of 26.56 degree, it is 424.91. Unit is Newton. So our all two objectives are completed. Determine the magnitude of force P This magnitude of force P is 950.287 Newton, and its y component is 424.91 Newton. So our in this numerical, our main task is to calculate this alpha. So observe how we calculated like not alpha, that theta angle between that force and that component of that force, x component of that force. So observe with the help of slopes how we calculated angle, and just resolution is another thing. Here we only write magnitude, we don't write here sense, that means positive negative sign of that components. So that is one thing. So that way you will solve that numerical. So thank you very much.